I see you're interested on how to create a YouTube banner. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to create a YouTube banner using canva.com. A YouTube banner or YouTube channel ad will help you get additional subscribers as well as help you get more leads online. On my banner, we have the logo name. It's helping entrepreneurs grow their business online. Then you have new videos every other day, a picture of me, and then on the right hand side we have follow me, an arrow, and social media links. So let's go over to canva.com. Head to search your content or canvas. So in this case, you're going to type YouTube channel ad. Under the YouTube channel ad, we have different templates that you can choose from. I want us to create one from scratch that looks similar to this. So go ahead and click on create a blank YouTube chat. You'll be directed on a white canvas. I want us to change the background color of the canvas. So the background color of my canvas is bluish. I want you to click on the white canvas and then you'll be directed on the background color. So my background color is 2F2E44. So click on it. I want us to head over now to elements. We want to create an image size that fits all devices. The image size that fits all devices is 1546 and 423. As for the TV is 2560 by 1440. That for desktop is 2560 by 423, and that for tablets is 1855 by 420. We're going to choose the size 1546 by 423 for mobile phone. So go ahead to elements and click on shapes. Click on shapes on the square. So adjust this to 423. To make the work easier, zoom. So this should be 423. Here we have. Length should be 1546. Zoom out. It should be 29 or 30. So let's resize this rectangle at the center, both vertically and horizontally. So the next image size is tablet, which is 1855 by 423, which is also under the elements, and click on the rectangle. Make this of different color. You can choose any color that you wish for. So I choose red. So the height should be the same, 423. The length should be 1855. So I'm going to adjust this to 1855. So stretch it on the left and then stretch it again on your right until it's 1855. So we have 1856, which is close to 1855. If you want to be precise, you can adjust this. You can zoom out I think, and then click on it and then make sure it's 1855. Stretch this on the right and then click on it. Okay, let's just leave it there because 1855 should be 1855, but it's giving us 1856. So let me zoom out. So another thing we need to do is make sure that this, so let me zoom out well, so it should be 30 or 29. I want to see both of them. Hover over these three buttons and click on the transparency. Make sure it's around half, 50%. Then make sure again this one is around 50% so that you can be able to see both of them at a go. So make sure this is around 50. Yeah, so you can see both of them. Hover this one at the center and then drag it until you see both the vertical and the horizontal line. So it's at the center. Now, for us to be able to see it clear, we need to go to File and we need to toggle the guides on. Click on the top and click and drag. And then click and drag again until here. Then on the left you have click and drag to this side. Then again you have click and drag to the other one. Then you have click and drag to this. Then you have click and drag to this. Now finally, these rectangular boxes have no meaning. to us now. So we need to delete them. Click and delete, click and delete. So now what you have, so now what you are left with is this image size where fits all devices that are online. We have our logo name, which is Kenya Affiliates. So you need to head over to text. There's this part that glows. So let me click and then Kenya Affiliates. To change this to small cases, so I need to click on the three buttons and then click on the uppercase. Go ahead and type affiliates. So let's resize this to fit this part. So let's resize this. I'm going to give it a size of 104. Trace now, click and drag it to the center. Then you also have helping entrepreneurs grow their business online. Text again and type. I'm going to choose add a heading. And so the slang is helping entrepreneurs grow their business online. Helping. So you have to resize it again. Let me resize it to something around 80. So it's 2 lines. So I'm going to oops. Let me undo. So you have this. You can reduce the size again to around 28. 28 is a bit smaller. 56, a bit again smaller. What about 96? Then you need to resize it to that size. Okay. So one thing again you need to do is change the text color. So the text color should be white. Here we are. Then you have new videos every other day. Again, you need to go to text and I'm going to click add a subheading. And I'm going to type new videos every other day. So in this case, to make sure that this is a little bit different from this banner, I'm going to type new videos every day. Or I can change this again to new videos every week. So let's resize it again to that size. Then again, as you can see, the as you can see that the text are on a rectangular shape, which is white in color. So in this case, I'm going to elements again and click on the shapes. The shape should be white in color. Oops, so I made a mistake, so let me undo. This line should be there. So let me resize this. And then again, remember, this should be white in color. Again, these two are both in white in color, so you will not be able to see the text. So in this case, I'm going to click on the text and I'm going to give it a color. So highlight all of it and I'm going to give it a color which is bluish. And then click and drag this. So click and drag the background shape until you see all the the text. So make sure that this fits well. So in this case, we need to highlight all of them. So click and drag, and then highlight both of them. And then let's go to more, and then let's go to position, and then you have in the middle. Then click and drag. Made a mistake. So let me highlight again both of them. So go to more, and then you have position, and then you have should be at the bottom, no, should be at the middle. Then what you need to do again is highlight both of them. Then you go to more, and then you need to group so that they can move in one shape. And here we are. So again, we need to resize both of them to at least that size. So in this case, we need to highlight all of them so that you can position them. You can space them first of all vertically, and then I also need to group all of them so that they can move together. What next we have is a picture of me. So go ahead, and I have a picture within my canva.com login. So in this case, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to resize it. I have that. That one looks a bit bigger. What about if I resize it to that size? Then make sure it should be at the far end, all devices. So we are done. What now we have is the follow me and this button, the social media links. So head over to elements and click on arrows. So you have a bunch of arrows to choose from. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one, which is most common one. So click on it, and then you can rotate it, and then I would want to resize it, and then again I need to flip it. I want to flip it vertically. Then click and drag. Then we also forgot to type the follow me, so you need to type follow me, click and drag it, resize it. So remember, this part will only be seen on desktop. In this case, the desktop only, as it cannot be seen on tablets. Remember, tablets will be seen by this part and this part. Then follow me, and then you have Twitter and Instagram. So in this case, we are going to go ahead on apps. You can type Twitter apps, you can type Canva apps. So under the more background we have, so in this case you're going to more, click more, and scroll on some of the apps that you have. So scroll and see some of the apps that are in Canva, and I'm not seeing Twitter. I wonder why. They might have removed it. So in this case, I'm going to click on Instagram because that's what I'm seeing. So resize it. Let me resize this arrow again. It looks a bit big. Then you can leave it there. Now after you're done, you need now to go back to the file and remove the guides, and everything is okay. So what you need now to do is click share, then you have click download. PNG is good, and then you click downloads, and then you can give it a name. So I'm going to give it Kenya Affiliates 1. It's under the desktop, and then save. So now you need to go ahead under your YouTube channel, click on the customize channel. So you need to go to branding, and then under the banner image, click change. So under the desktop, remember the name of the banner you had just created. So it's under the Kenya Affiliates 1. Then click open. This part is viewable on TV, this part is viewable on desktop, and this part is it's viewable on all devices. So click done, and then click publish. Then you need to go to channel and see the type of banner you have just created. So that's all I had for today. So if you found this video useful, click on the subscribe button and share to your friends.